Hello everyone and welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. This video is for my cross stitch designer friends out there. So this tutorial is going to be a really easy step-by-step guide as to how you can upload your existing PDF cross stitch patterns that you might have designed anywhere else onto the Love It Stitch It marketplace. You might be a new cross stitch designer with just a few patterns under your belt, or perhaps you have been designing for years with hundreds in your back catalogue. Either way, if you already sell on Etsy and you have those PDF patterns available, you can really quickly create a free user account and get those patterns listed on the Love It Stitch It marketplace too. So you'll be adding another revenue stream and making additional money from those extra sales on the Love It Stitch It marketplace too. Enjoy.
So today I'm going to show you how to upload a design onto Love It Stitch It. You just click this button over here. And then when it loads, you have some useful tips at the top. You enter the name you want to call it, your pattern, so in my case Summer. Enter in the price of your pattern and add a description. I use a similar one for all of mine. So now you can upload a photo. It has to have a white background, so I download it from a tool that I use, so there we go. But I also like to upload a photo that I've taken myself once I've stitched the hoop to check it all works. So now you can select the pattern format. So I've selected two boxes here, and then you need to include the measurements for if you were creating it on a 14 count or a 16 count Ada. I've done mine in inches, but you can do it in other measurements as well, centimetres, etc. You can also include the stitch count, so in this it's just under 300 stitches. As you can see on the left, it has guidance, really useful guidance on photos and images you need to upload. So now going to categories. I did try summer, but it was actually seasons. So I selected seasons, and then I looked through to see what else I could find. I think I found food in the end because there's food in my stitch. So yeah, and that's the ones I included there. So the next thing is to do tags. So the word you tag in here is what, if people searched for something including these words, hopefully your pattern would show up. So I'm doing summer, watermelon, sun, ice lollies I think I put in. So yeah, add all the different words. You can put up to 10 in here. So hopefully people can find your pattern. Final one, bucket and spade. So next step is to actually upload your pattern, your PDF. So you just click upload file. Doesn't actually show it here because I don't think you want to see my file management. But yeah, I'm just uploading the pattern now. And then you need to select that you agree it's all your work and you're happy for it to be shared, it's your copyright, and then you click publish. So this is where it goes off to be checked by the Love It Stitch It team before it is actually published on the marketplace.
Thanks for watching. Now head over to loveitstitchit.com to register for a free user account today. I can't wait to see your patterns on the marketplace and share them with the world.